ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ?
ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೌಕರರ ಕ್ಷೇಮಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಂಘ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಬಿಎಂಪಿ ನೌಕರರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಂಘ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಸ್ತ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರರ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ನೆರವಿನಿಂದ ಏನು ವಯನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಕುಸಿತದಿಂದ ಹಾನಿಯಾಗಿದೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂಕಷ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿರುವವರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬೃಹತ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಅವರಿಗೇನು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಆಹಾರ ಪದಾರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಹಾಸಿಗೆ, ದಿಮ್ಮು, ಬ್ಲಾಂಕೆಟು, ಸ್ವೆಟರು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ನ ನಾವು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ
ಸರ್?
ಯಾರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಿಂದ
ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಿಂದ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸಂಘ ನೇತೃತ್ವ ವಹಿಸಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ನೆರವನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರರು ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ?
ಸರ್ 2 ಕಂಟೈನರಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ, ಸ್ವೆಟರು, ಬ್ಲಾಂಕೆಟು, ಸ್ಯಾರೀಸು, ಟೀ ಶರ್ಟು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಏನು ಬಳಕೆಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಕುಸಿತ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಅಗತ್ಯವಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಘದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಇದು ನೀವು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್. ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ಕೇರಳ ವಯನಾಡುವರೆಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ ಗುಡ್ಡ
ಇನ್ನೂ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಹೌದೌದು. ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ಡ ಕುಸಿತ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Today is day 5 and the city of Wayanad has lost close to 350 people in the horrific Wayanad landslide. But still, that hasn't deterred the people of Wayanad to come forward and make sure that every help from their side is possible. Right now I am at St. Joseph Convent School at Kalpeta. This is one of the relief and rescue operation center where people from across the country have sent relief items for the people of Wayanad here. You can see this section where we are right now is where all the vegetable is getting accumulated. You have coconut, you have kaddu, you have beans, you have potatoes, carrots, you name the vegetable, and it has come from across the state, across the entire country. Right now the truck that is leaving from behind has come from Bangalore, from the BBMP office, and this truck has now delivered one set of it and is leaving. The other set is over here, which is where they are already emptying the luggage and the relief material that the state of Karnataka has sent. As you can see, oil packets, food packets, everything is coming out from this truck that has been sent by the BBMP officers from Bangalore. So this is one set. Now behind me you can see there is a lot of rice materials, and these people are volunteers who've come from their own from the city itself. Are you guys local from here itself? Okay, they are all shy, they don't want to speak, but as you can see, they all have come here to volunteer. And then people, where have you come from?
We have come from Kalpeta. This is the collection point of Wayanad, and from here they shift the things to other places, to the camp.
Okay. So what all relief material you are getting from?
We get blanket, rice, water bottles. This has come from different areas. Mysore, we have got from Karnataka, and from Kannur, Thrissur, and we have got blankets, dresses.
And you are a student?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm studying in 10th standard, and I have come for helping.
Okay, so you don't have anything about study and all. You've come here to help people.
Yes, we need to help. That's the main intention. Lots of people are suffering, so we need to help them.
How has this tragedy hit you especially?
It's not affected this area mainly. The place called Mepadi. It has lots of lives are affected. Lots of houses are damaged. So from here we shift the things to other places.
So as you clearly heard, this is one of the places where the relief material come, and from here it gets distributed. I have another volunteer. Sir, you are also a local from here?
Yeah, we are the students from the nearby colleges. We got a call from in the morning. Suddenly, everyone urgently please come here and help us. Actually, we don't hesitate to come because you can see we are all from the students. They are the civilians. Even medical professionals are here because we want an efficient collection point and the distribution to the all concerned camps all over the affected areas. Okay.
So right now they have a sufficient relief material, or there is still requirement?
No. Actually, if we are going through the collected amount, some people are saying that it's already a little bit more because that much of help is coming from this container is from Bangalore, I think.
Okay.
Just like every parts of India, we getting already many materials.
How does it look when you see the entire country coming together to help you?
Actually, it's very happy to see that because it's a symbol of unity. That's what we want. It's much. Thank you.
That is good. So this is one of the volunteers. He's a college student who's come here. Now we have some of the BBMP officials, the Karnataka team that has come here. Sir, you have come from Karnataka, especially. Kerala. This truck has come.
ನಾನಿದು ರಿಸೋರ್ಟ್ ನಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಬಲ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಬೇರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನು ತಂದಿದೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಬೇಕು
ಏನೇನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದೆ ರೈಸ್ ಇದೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳಿದೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೈಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರ.
This team, like he's saying, he's bought all this from Karnataka. Let us show you the truck itself and the relief material that has come. You can see the volunteers and how food packets, you've seen rice, atta, there are blankets in the white packet over here. These are food materials that have come here. So you can see the relentless work of these officials and the volunteers that are here also. Now we'll move forward from here. Here you have a set of water cans that have come here from different parts because there is a lot of requirement for drinking water. There is rain everywhere, but drinking water is something that is very essential. So that is one thing that we are seeing over here, an entire set of water bottles that have come for relief material. Now moving from here, you have on this hand side, you have the other toiletries that people might need: soap, water, detergent, then you have Lysol and all the disinfectants which will be used to clean the places. Then behind that is the rice and everything. So clearly this gives you an idea how the entire country has come forward to help the people in such need, and this clearly gives you the relentless effort of these relief workers and how day in and day out they are here to make sure that food items, whatever the people require in either the relief camps or wherever they are stuck, so that can be delivered to them. And like we heard, one of the volunteers said that it feels nice that how the entire country has come together to help them nice. So let's keep that spirit alive in this particular place and make sure that your contributions that have come here goes on to the right place, and that's what these students are also doing here. So let's applaud their effort and thank them for what they have done. This is me with my camera person Mahendra signing off from St. Joseph Convent, which has been used for collecting relief material and relief camp. I will explain about the death toll. Right now this container that had come filled from Karnataka has been emptied by the relief workers over here who've come from different parts of Kerala to support and help them. So this container had water, it had your bed sheets, it had mattresses, it had rice and everything, and this is a relief camp. So Verghese, I will just walk you around first to show you the things that are there in this particular relief camp, which is going across the entire affected region. So right now they have taken mattresses to the affected people in the other parts of Churumala and Mundukkai. Now these trunks will leave one by one to different parts. Right now you can see on my left hand side, which my camera person is saying, you have vegetables that have come here from various parts of the state, from different parts of India, and they've sent these vegetables. Now these are things getting packed and they will be then sent to a place where there are choppers and everything. Now this truck behind me, this tempo has all mattresses over here. Behind this place is the entire chunk of water bottles that have come from different parts of the city. And as you can see, the stuff that have been received clearly gives you the effort that the people from different parts have done to make sure that whatever the people here in Kerala need will be provided to them. See, there is water bottles from different brands, different groups, everything that could be done possible. Now, this is the water bottle section which is here. After that is the toiletries that people might need. You have washing powder, you have phenyl, you have Tide, you have soap. Everything is available here. Then if we keep moving like this, there is more and more such things. Then there is rice on one side. So Verghese, this is something that is very visible in front of us, and it is not something that I'll have to elaborate and say about how people have come forward to help the victims of this Wayanad landslide. Now, coming to your question about the update, close to 349 people have died is what we know. The official update of death is close to 250, 210. But how do we come to the number of 349? Most of them, what they've done is they've clubbed the death count of the body parts that have also been found. There are various instances where horrifically just limbs and legs have been found. Now, it's still not been established whether it belongs to the same person or two different person. But clubbing all of that together, which is a count of 134 and 210, people have come to a conclusion that close to 349 bodies have been found. Now, there are chances of more bodies to be found. What we've learned from the rescue teams are that now it's no more about rescue, it's all about the search that has been left, because there are still places where they feel bodies are dug below this rubble and the sand that is there, and close to 200 people are missing. Now, for those 200 people, you see how this entire arrangement has been done, and the food and material have also been brought to them from different parts of the city and the state. So, Herculean task is being done here by the localites and by the volunteers that have come. Let me show you the faces of these volunteers. They are all students. There are students. They are shying away right now. There are all students from the nearby schools and colleges, and they have come here to help. Let me see, Verghese, if I can try to talk to them. There is a language barrier. So, boss, you guys are from the nearby schools and colleges? Which college are you from?
Near Alfonso. Sultan Badeeri.
And you come here on your own? Why have you come here? What brought you here?
I'm just happy.
To help everyone.
Help everyone.
So they are shying away. They are not ready to talk right now. So clearly, Verghese, this is the situation here in Kalpetta where I am.